In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to embed a YouTube video inside of your Framer website. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to framer.com and then log into your account like you usually would. Now once I'm here, it should look something like this. Once I'm here, you'll need to find a specific project you want to embed a YouTube video for, or create a new project if you want to do that. But from here, you'll simply need to click on a specific project until it loads up like so. Now once I'm here, it should look something like this, where you can see this is a blank website. But from here, you'll simply need to go over to the left-hand corner so we can add this embedding by going up to the insert option over here in the left-hand corner. And then from here, you'll be able to go over to the search bar and click in YouTube like so. Once I'm here, it should look something like this, where I can go and drop and drag it like so. And as you can see, now it will be visible inside of your website. But from here, to embed your specific video, you'll simply need to go over to the right-hand corner and go over until scroll down until you'll be able to see YouTube down here. Once I'm here, you'll simply need to go down to the video section over here, click on that, and from here, right beside that, you'll be able to see a URL for that specific YouTube video. Once I'm here, you'll need to find your specific YouTube video. So from here, let's just choose this specific video that I have created previously, copy the link, and from here, I'll need to go back to Framer, and from here, I'll need to go over to the URL and paste it like so, and click enter one like so. And from here, you can click play once you preview it. But from here, you'll have successfully embedded a YouTube video inside of your Framer website. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!